Here at 9:10 on this Wednesday, you know, college students making ends meet can be really tough. Finding the right clothes to wear to a job interview, well, that can get expensive too.
Yeah, it can be out of reach for many. So to help, the nonprofit Dress for Success Phoenix is opening a special resource center at Paradise Valley Community College. Students there can get suited so that they're ready to rock a job interview, and they can also get some help from a local food bank. So a lot of resources there on campus. Whitney is joining us live to tell us more.
Hey, good morning, guys. Yeah, this really is such an exciting morning. We're getting our first look at the new Dress for Success Phoenix studio that is on the PVCC campus. So what will happen is students will come in here, a volunteer will suit them, and they'll get some great outfits. They'll get some great clothes for those interviews like our models here. And also another really cool resource is these cabinets here will have food from St. Mary's Food Bank. So it's kind of a one-stop shop for folks as they get their careers going after they're done with college. And so joining us now to talk a little bit about this partnership is Tamala, the CEO for Dress for Success. We're in the women's studio now. You came in to see it for the first time. What was your initial reaction after so many months of work?
Just fighting tears, Whitney. I mean, I was just speechless to see everything that has happened, all that has been done to make this possible. So we went from a phone call to fruition, and it's just amazing.
Why is it so important for the nonprofit to have a studio here on campus so it's easy for students to get these clothes that sometimes we don't think about when we put them on in the morning, but for those getting their start, it's really, really crucial.
It is crucial, and our mission is to empower women to achieve economic independence, and we have to get those resources to these students and to the women and to the men that need it. And so for us, this partnership is, you know, it is paramount because this is the first time we've done this on a college campus, and I think it's really game-changing because we're meeting the students where they are with the resources that they need.
And one thing that I think is really cool in here is you can see some of these scrubs. I mean, there is a nursing school here, and those are something that some of these students are going to need. If someone's watching this and they're interested in getting some help, what's the best way to contact Dress for Success Phoenix?
They can contact us at dfsphoenix.org. They can also reach out to the Career Center here at Paradise Valley, and they have a way for them to get here, get appointments, and show up, and also to access our Career Center, because we'll have clothing for all different types of industries, but also we'll have someone on site to help them with their career services.
Tamala, thank you so much. It's such a beautiful space, and actually they will do 10 suitings here today. So 10 students are going to come in, they're going to get suited, and joining us now to talk a little bit more about this partnership and why it's so important for the college is the president of PVCC, Dr. Hunter. So nice to see you.
Thank you so much for being here with us this morning.
How did this partnership begin?
Well, I posed one question to my team, and it was, do we have a clothing closet for our students, and do we have a food pantry? And this started the ball rolling, and all of a sudden we've got this partnership with Dress for Success Phoenix, and I wanted a clothing closet, and we got a studio. And we've got a great place for our food pantry as well.
And we have moved into the area that is actually men's clothing, which is so great because sometimes it's the ladies that get a lot of love, but the guys also need those suits. They need those polos for their job interviews. For you, what are you noticing on campus in terms of the need for a resource like this?
We had students express the need for professional clothing. And so we were like, okay, our students are prepared academically to go out into the workforce. Let's make sure they look the part when they go out. And so we are excited to get those 10 students in here today. They are graduates that will graduate next Friday evening, and they will be well prepared for the workforce or to move on to a college, but this professional attire will be wonderful for them.
Okay, Dr. Hunter, thank you so much. And congratulations to all the graduates. We know this is a very exciting time of year for anyone on a college campus. So again, this is the Dress for Success Phoenix location at PVCC. They're going to be doing a soft opening today, Scott and Olivia, and then the full opening will be this fall. And I do have to say I'm a volunteer at the Dress for Success boutique that is in Phoenix. And I mean, it's hard to put into words, really, the feeling you get when you see a lot of these clients come in and, you know, they might not be feeling like they're too confident, and then they get that outfit, and really an outfit that you feel good in, most importantly, and look good in, can make such a world of difference when you're going out to get a job. So certainly a great resource, and they will need more volunteers too for this location.
That's
Love
fantastic.
Yeah, it's a
Great
simple
job.
mission, and it makes so much sense, and they do an incredible work.
Thank you,
Whitney, thanks.